Reaching maximum velocity, the validation flight proves the helicopter's unmatched power and agility in the upper atmosphere.
We have stabilization at 500 feet. Hold that altitude.
Affirmative, holding 500.
Heads up, he's dropping the tank. We need to move now!
Hold position, adjusting approach angle now.
Clear on the east connect.
Approaching western pylon, adjust trajectory 2 degrees starboard.
Road.
Crane 1, lift and hold position at Bay 4. Forklift.
The vibration peak is still showing on the outer edge.
Adding the 50-gram counterweight now. Let's see if that stabilizes it.
Okay, initiating next rotation.
A1, increasing
Keep the tension steady.
Hold position, we are secured on this side.
Check the voltage on auxiliary bus 3.
Reading stable. All parameters green.
Bring it down another 5 centimeters.
Steady now, watching the laser alignments.
Cockpit systems online, sequential boot complete.
Copy that. Confirming green across the board. Airframe stability at 90%.
We have green indicators across the board, proceeding to full power. Ground, this is test vehicle 1. Taxiing nominal, all systems green. Continue to holding point, Charlie.
Hold at 2 meters. Check engine temperature. Rotor stability looks good.
Sensors indicate a 2 degree starboard tilt, adjust to recenter.
Roger that, applying counter torque now.
Lover successful. All parameters nominal.
Systems holding steady at high altitude.
Engine thrust is nominal. Trajectory stable.
Alignment is stable. We are green for connection.
Confirmed. Secure the mechanism.
Good. The forward strut is showing critical stress levels. We have a clean separation.
We have payload separation.
Roger that. Release successful. Stabilization confirmed.
Continues, approaching the 5-minute mark.
Reaching maximum velocity, the validation flight proves the helicopter's unmatched power and agility in the upper atmosphere.
Keep it coming steady, a little to the left.
Looks good, signaling the pilot to set it down.
All right, bring her down. Watch the sound crane. Easy. We have stabilization at 500 feet. Hold that altitude.
Affirmative, holding 500 feet. Load is secure.
Today marks a new era in aerospace transport. The HL-50 represents...
Bring it down 20 feet, slow and steady.
Copy that. Watching the alignment now.
Hold position, hold position. 5 meters, coming down steady.
Heads up, he's dropping the tank.
Get that hose deployed. We've got spot fires moving fast. Yes! Look at that steam! We got it!
Alpha base to Falcon 1, you are clear for final approach. Keep it steady.
Pilot, we are aligned. Bring her down slow. Roger that. Touchdown in T-minus 5.
Slow the descent, we need to rotate slightly.
Copy that. Rotating now.
Okay, easy now, easy. We are clear on all sides.
Confirmed landing site secure. Dropping now. We have contact. Repeat, load is secured.
Copy that. Stand by for release.
Built from high-strength aluminum alloys, this helicopter represents the future of maritime logistics. We need to move now!
Stable lift power confirmed. Altitude climbing slowly.
Hold it steady now. Bring it down slow. We got the slot, easy. Despacio, despacio, bájalo.
Bring it down 20 feet, hold steady, we're almost aligned.
Roger that, coming down slow.
All right, easy now. 20 feet down, steady. We have visual confirmation on the supports.
Hold position. Coming down steady now. You are clear, clear, keep it coming down.
Bring her down 50 centimeters. Steady now.
Copy that, watching the east anchor point. Easy now, bring it down 5 more feet, we are clear on the...
Bring it down easy. Watch the clearance on the south side. Looks good. We are lined up. Set it down.
Another 10 feet, watch the alignment on the far side.
Clear on the west side. 2 meters to go.
Roger. Maintaining stability.
Perfect alignment. Set her down.
A little more to the starboard side. Okay, looking good. Maintain altitude.
Module stable, continue ascent. Rotor wash intensifying, watch the south line. Copy that, maintaining tension. Easy now, bring it down 5 more centimeters.
Confirmed. 5 centimeters down.
Hold position, adjusting approach angle now.
Clear on the east connector.
Set it down, good contact.
We are aligned on point 3.
Acknowledge, slowly lower. Watch the pressure on the guide pins.
Lower left, steady. Steady. Okay, hold it there.
Keep it steady, watch the starboard side, we have turbulence. Roger that, descending slowly, 5 meters to contact.
Hold altitude steady, bring it down 5 meters. Easy now, slight correction to the east.
Secure the basket now.
All right, hold on tight, we're lifting.
You are clear, bring it down.
Descent sequence engaged. Maintain current vector.
Confirming stable approach. All systems nominal. Alignment confirmed. We have clearance. Proceed with final descent. Slowly now. Bring it down. Easy now. Easy. Left side clear. Hold it steady.
We are clear for final placement. Lower slowly. Watch the anchor slots.
Confirmed. Lowering slowly.
Approaching western pylon. Adjust trajectory 2 degrees starboard.
Rotor, 2 degrees starboard. Tension steady.
Confirmed clear. Lowering sequence initiated.
The heavy lift helicopter lowers the final support structure, a critical moment for the mega platform's stability. This unprecedented heavy lift operation is the only way to deliver vital aid to the heart of the devastated industrial zone. Built from advanced alloys and composites, this machine is the central force in a new era of aerospace construction.